Okay, another type of composition of functions here. What I'm going to suggest that you do on these is work inside, start on the inside and work your way to the out. So, work from the inside to the outside. If you look here, the inside is g of 2. Okay, look at your graph here. Your g graph is the blue one, so I'm going to make this blue. We're looking at the g function. So what it's saying is that x is equal to 2 for g. So if we're going to find g of 2 first, so let's go over to the graph. And where the x value is 2, x is equal to 2, we need to know what y is equal. So here's where x is 2. Oops. X is 2 right there. I got to move up to touch my g function. The y value right there, so that's the ordered pair I'm looking for. That ordered pair is 2, 4. So when x is 2, y is 4. So g of 2 is actually 4. G of 2 is equal to 4. All right, so now what we actually have is f of 4. Remember, because we just found out that g of 2 is 4. So now we're going to look at the red f function. Go to where your x value is 4, about right here, and move up or down until you touch the line. So here's my point right there. That ordered pair is 4. Let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the ordered pair is 4, 6. So when the x value is 4, the y value is 6. So that we just did that graphically. We looked at the graph and we figured out what that was. So that was graphically using the graph. It's a really ugly word, graph. Okay, now we're going to try it algebraically. We're going to use some algebra. So you've got your functions there. We're doing f of g of 2. So start on the inside. The inside says to do g of 2. The g function is x squared. Instead of an x, we're going to plug in a 2. So that becomes 4. So now this whole part right there is 4, and we're looking at f of 4. If you look up at the algebra problem, it says to do x plus 2. Instead of an x, we had a 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Same outcome, just a little bit different way of doing it. Okay, let's take a look at B. This time we're starting with our f function. So I'm going to use red because it's red on mine. F of negative 4 means that I want to know when x is negative 4, what does y equal? So go to the graph, count back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. This time I have to go down to get to the graph. That ordered pair is negative 4, negative 2. So remember, I told you the x value is negative 4. I just wanted the y value. The y value is negative 2. So what I'm actually looking at now is g of negative 2. Look at the g function where it's negative 2. Here's negative 2 on the graph. I got to count up to about right there. That ordered pair is negative 2, 4. So when x is negative 2 for the g, the y value is 4. Let's try it algebraically. So algebraically, remember, start on the inside and work your way out. The f function, f of negative 4, we're doing, because that's the inside first. Put the g there. Do this first. The f function is saying to do x plus 2. So I'm going to do negative 4 plus 2. That gives me negative 2, just like I had up here. So now I'm doing g of negative 2. G function says to square that. So if I take negative 2 and I square it, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. The exact same answer I got from looking at the graph. All right,